Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest tech products. Today, we're diving into the best AirPod Pro Comply Foam tips, an accessory that will completely change the way you experience your AirPods Pro. If you've been struggling with ear discomfort or poor sound isolation, these memory foam tips are here to solve all your problems. The Comply Foam replacement earbud tips are designed specifically for Apple AirPods Pro, both the first and second generation. They offer a level of comfort and performance that silicone tips simply can't match. When you slip them on, the body heat-activated memory foam molds to the unique shape of your ear, providing an ultra-comfortable, personalized fit that you can wear all day long without any irritation. One of the standout features of these foam tips is their secure fit. Have you ever had your AirPods Pro fall out while running or moving around? With the Comply Foam tips, that becomes a thing of the past. The foam material grips your ears better than any silicone tip, ensuring your earbuds stay in place no matter what activity you're doing. Whether you're exercising, working, or even sleeping, these tips will keep your AirPods Pro secure. But comfort isn't the only thing these tips offer. They also significantly enhance your listening experience. The foam material blocks out more external noise, giving you superior sound isolation and improving your noise cancellation. This means you can enjoy your music at lower volumes without sacrificing sound quality or risking hearing damage. It's a win-win for anyone who values both comfort and sound quality. These tips are incredibly easy to install. Simply remove your original AirPod tips and replace them with the Comply Foam tips. The process is quick and hassle-free, so you can start enjoying better sound and comfort in no time. Plus, when it's time to remove them, just pinch and peel, and they come off effortlessly. If you're someone who loves to wear their AirPods Pro for long periods, or if you're tired of constantly adjusting your earbuds during exercise or travel, the Comply Foam replacement tips are a must-have. They're not just comfortable and secure, they also enhance your audio experience, making your AirPods Pro work better than ever. So, if you want to upgrade your AirPods Pro with the best foam tips available, look no further than the Comply Memory Foam Replacement Earbud Tips. Trust me, your ears will thank you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews here on Product Critique.